So this is a piece that I started learning last year. One thing one of my teachers taught me was to use lots of color, make things easier to learn and to help you identify patterns. Yeah, hopefully this year I can do a bit more, but yeah. One, two, treble. Yeah, find middle C. Where's middle C? There's two notes here. You have to press at the same time.
To get a degree.
To get a degree, that's a pretty good one. That's a good one for this context, isn't it? Yeah. Hopefully you're all in that spot.